Okay guys, welcome back. Today we will be solving x with our rational having a root there. So if you haven't joined the family guys, please just join the family. We are working very hard here in order for everyone to pass guys. Thank you so much. Now let's solve for x here. First thing that you need to do guys there, the things that have a square root must be alone. Make sure this thing that has a root, this one, it's alone on the other side, and then everything is on the other side. That is the first step that you must make sure you do. X plus 5, and then we take this x to the other side. So it's going to be x, change the sign, it's going to be positive now, and then minus 1. And then from here, the second step that you must do, we must get rid of this root. How do we get this root? We square both sides. What you do on the left hand side, you must do it on the right hand side. So we square both sides, we square both sides. And then this square root, this square cancels this square root, and then from here we are left with x plus 5 equals 2. This thing is repeated 2 times. So it's going to be x minus 1 into x minus 1. And then from here we have x plus 5 equals 2x times x, it's x squared. X times negative 1, it's negative x. Negative x times x, it's negative x. Negative 1, it's positive 1. And then x plus 5 equals 2x squared. Negative x, it's negative 2x, and then plus 1. And then we take this x plus 5 to the other side. It's going to be 0 here. And then x squared minus 2x, and then plus 1. X is going to be negative x. This 5 is going to be negative 5. And then 0, it's x squared. We have negative 2x, and then minus x, which is going to give us negative 3x. And then we have this positive 1, and then negative 5, it's going to give us negative 4. And then from here, guys, very critical, from here, if you know how to factorize that thing. If you don't know how to factorize, guys, make sure go to your quadratic formula. You do your quadratic formula, you get your x. Please, you mustn't lose mark. It's very critical. It's a very critical stage of the year. Now, factorizing this is 0 into x. Factors are 4. That's going to give us 3. It's going to be 4 and 1, which is going to be negative here, and then it's going to be positive here. And then my first x is going to be 4, or my other x is going to be negative 1. And then from here, we are not done. We need, very critical this stage, guys, of solving x if we are having this root here. Very critical. We must check, because if you don't check, there is a mark that you are going to lose, guys. We don't want to lose any mark at this stage. So we take x. We come here, we substitute, we see that our left hand side is equals to our right hand side. Now go to your calculator right now, let's check together. We are checking 4. So it's going to be 4 plus 5, and then negative 4. We see, does it give us negative 1? I hope you see it gives us negative 1. So this side is equals to that side. Now let's check negative 1. On your calculator, just put negative 1 where there is x. You see, it gives us 1, that it's positive. So, or -1, it's not a solution. So you must cancel it, guys, like this, showing that it's not a solution. If you didn't cancel it like this, a marker, someone that is marking your paper is telling him or her that you didn't check this one, meaning you're going to lose a mark because this one must be like this, or saying this one is not a solution. It's either you write it's not a solution, or you cancel it like this, and then this is one, it's our solution. You can left it like this, you get full marks. This question, they're more or less 4 or 5 marks. Don't lose marks, guys. Mark a button.